Oh yes, let's take a quick look of how we are going to do the extended dreads. Yes, we're going to do extended dreads, the short ones. This is the short version. So I want you to subscribe so that we can follow all these steps on how we are going to do the extended dreads in short form. So this is how it's going to be. Some people have been asking me, if you have long hair, can you still do the short extended dreads? So this is how I'm going to show you how even if you have long hair, you can still do the short extended dreads. So all you can do, just subscribe so that you keep on watching all these types of hairstyles. I'm by the names of Maurice, the crochet master, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Hair Zipper. So this is how we start by locking. Remember, when you're doing the extended dreads, you have to be with a gel and the hook. Obviously, sometimes I use the hooks that have sizes. Yeah, you just they have numbers. So I always use number 2, number 4, and number 8 depending on the hair. Yes, when the hair is too soft, I can use number 4 and number 8. And when the hair has the got a volume, I just use number 2. So this is how we lock. And remember, on this one, I told you when you're locking, please try to leave a 1/4 inch. Yes, you don't lock up to down. It's not good, because you just have to leave that space when you're going the space that you will use putting your extension. Yes, and when you're going to lock. So please, when you're trying to lock, just do it once like that, and don't make it very tight. You have to leave that space. Yes, that's the only trick for the dreads not to pain. And another thing here, make sure that you arrange your boxes very perfectly and nicely, as the way you're seeing how I'm arranging my boxes, because it is very, very important. Like, whenever you arrange your boxes like this, they give you a good result. So arranging the boxes is very, very important. Yes, just like that. So we keep on locking up to the end, and remember, we are going to do the short extended dreads. So this is how we keep on doing. Shout out to all my friends who are watching right now. Yes, thank you so much for subscribing, and I'll make sure that I keep on uploading more videos of different hairstyles so that we get to learn. So anything that you'd want to ask, please, you can ask me. Arranging my boxes. I told you, like, it is very, very important to arrange your boxes this way. That one gives you a good result whenever when you finish, it gives you a good result, because when you arrange it this way, someone will be able to leave them free or to hold it puff, and when you're trying to style, it will look good. So please be very neat as possible, so that you arrange your boxes very neat. So this is how I keep on doing it, and you can see how I'm arranging my boxes. And please, this is very important. Whenever you're locking, don't make it very tight. You just have to leave that 1/4 inch for to give you a space on where you will be putting the extensions, and it won't hurt your client. So be very observative as in seeing how you arrange your boxes, and not lock it very tight up the skin, up the scalp. Yeah. So when I'm done like that, you see how my boxes looking good. So this is the kinky that I'm going to use. And I remember I told you we are going to do the short one, so I had to cut it into 2 pieces. So here is I'm starting, and whenever you installing the extension, please do it from the sides. Yes, not make it straight. And always our extended dreads, we do it from up like that, and then put down, up and down. So you just it's the hair that I use to lock. So that means at the end of it all, if someone wants to unplait, you will have to be seeing your hair, then you just unplait it. Just put up and down, up and down, you see, just like that. So since I don't want it to be long, I'm just trying to cut it short. You see, up and down, just like that. So you see how I'm locking just once. You see, yeah, not painful at all. So you people who have been scared of to plait the extended dreads, trust me, you won't feel pain. Just come and you try it out. So this is how we keep on doing. And please, thank you so much for those who are subscribing. Thank you so much. May God bless you. So as I told you, like, we always work as a team. So I just install, and when they finish the locking, yes, so I just come and help out on how to lock it. Yes, I just help them and I keep on locking them. Still I lock them while showing them how they're supposed to lock. Yes, because I just like sharing ideas. So this is how it is, the extended dreads, and I'm just encouraging all people who are scared on plaiting dreads. Trust me, this is not painful at all. So this is how we keep on doing the dreads, and please, let's keep on subscribing, and let's keep on loving Hair Zipper and the crochet master himself, Maurice. I love you so much, and I sign out. So just keep on saying all these. They'll give you some ideas on how you're also going to lock yours. So keep on subscribing, and you can tell your friends to subscribe, and we'll learn together. Thank you so much. May God bless you.